This is the gorgeous roller derby skate. Roller skate we were sent a review from Nattork, which we're gonna be pairing with this pink helmet. It's not a perfect match, but it's really fun and cute. You've got a TPR brake on the front with matching PU wheels. Like, they look and feel exactly the same for such a fun vibe. The base here is kind of a peachy color, so together really gorgeous. They do have this in a few other colors, including black, baby blue, purple, blue with purple laces, and my favorite, a yellow one with all these colors, and it's so fun. But Mia chose this one because she's Miss Pinky Pink. You've got full laces here, no Velcro, no straps, no buckles, and then the top ones go through these little things, so very similar to an ice skate. Looking inside, it's decently padded all the way around. The tongue is thin, so it's not gonna add like bulk or anything. The sole is basically padded, like a flat shoe, not anything like contoured or memory foam or anything like that. They are really great quality, nicely padded, very impressed. The lacing and how everything's put together, just gorgeous. They feature ABEC 7 carbon steel bearings and a black lightweight PP frame. These come in women's sizes 5 through 10, and if you have a young girl like I do, my daughter still wears kids shoes, but we looked at the conversion and she's a kid size 4, which is a women's size 6 already. I didn't even realize that. So FYI, if you have a girl, a tween, even a teen, they can probably fit into an adult size shoe already.